Let's dive right into this explainer. I'm here to mentor you on building a zero capital business from total scratch. We need a massive mindset shift first. Listen, if you aren't getting paid, it's literally just a hobby. Here's our exact 4-step playbook. Craft a killer offer, automate those leads, guide the sale, and deliver massive value. People eagerly pay for painkillers, not vitamins. You've got to solve a seriously painful problem for them. Stuck on ideas? Just use this specific AI prompt to uncover your absolute most profitable market intersection. Don't let confused buyers walk away. Lock them in with a clear promise, solid guarantee, bonuses, and real scarcity. Avoid the classic underpricing trap. Use 3 price tiers, setting a super high anchor to make your main offer irresistible. Now, stress test it. Feed your drafted offer into this AI prompt to expose and fix any hidden weak spots. Okay, offer is set, but waiting around for buyers is a huge trap. We gotta automate that outreach immediately. Plug this exact prompt into an AI tool. It'll hunt down prospects and actually draft highly personalized messages for you. Boom, instant scale. You jump from agonizing over 5 emails to firing off 50 perfectly customized messages every single day. Listen, sales isn't sleazy at all. It's just a staircase moving people from their current hell to their future heaven. So stop talking so much on calls. Ask smart, guided questions to uncover their reality, roadblocks, and desired results. Scared of rejection? Try copying this prompt. The AI will roleplay as a skeptical prospect to build your sales confidence. The sale isn't the end. You've got to deliver value super fast to completely eliminate any chance of buyer's remorse. Watch out for classic solo founder traps. Never ghost after a sale, and seriously, stop endlessly preparing to get ready. Instead, instantly fire off an AI-generated questionnaire. Feed those answers right into Claude for a completely custom transformation roadmap. You literally just have to start messy. Stop overthinking, start small, and fully embrace early rejection as a necessary teacher. Build bulletproof mental resilience. Be super patient with your long-term results, but be wildly, ruthlessly impatient with taking daily action. That wraps our explainer. So what is the one single messy action you're going to take before bed tonight?